Kunuba Chakade, NLTP Act 1989 to leave Kurule, Government of Nagaland Bra, Papana Kuriase. Nagaland State Spokesperson KG Kenye Bra, NLTP Act Opore, reconsideration Thagula highlight Kurishe. Possibility of partial lifting of NLTP Act to 27 of Augustine, Assembly Session Day, discuss Kurula Ase. Itulaga Paride, Nagaland Baptist Church Council Bra, along with 57 church leaders can strongly oppose Kurigina joint statement dishe. Joint statement de koi ase NLTP Act leave Kurabra solution na anibo. Instead, transparency or accountability in governance to thagile phal hobo kugina koi ase. The Konyak Baptist Pumanok Pangchim KPPP ordained ministers aro Au Baptist Aruko Mangtang APAM bra partial lifting of NLTP Act suggestion opore Kushinapa Janaise. KPPP under the Thaga 26 ordained ministers bra Judy Government of Nagaland bra NLTP Act to lift Kurishe Kule fast to death option to choose Kurubule Koyase. Hello viewers, Achilaga video de India Pithoda Thaga Kunuba States Khanbra LTP Liquor Total Prohibition Act to kile implement Kurishe Aro kile live Kura Thagishe. Especially coming to our Nagaland state, ki nimide NLTP Act to implement Kura Thagishe. Achilaga video de Jane Javo. Nagaland de Nohigna to strike states to be LTP Liquor Total Prohibition Act to implement Kura Thagishe. Number 1 day Andhra Pradesh. 1995 day Andhra Pradesh government bra alcoholic liquor do ban Kura Thagishe. Chief Minister N.T. Rama Rao bra 1994 day Andhra Pradesh state day sale and consumption of alcohol opore ban kurubole sign kurigina state day alcohol do ban kurigina ahise. Holibi April 1997 day Nodun Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh N. Chandrababu Naidu bra itu act to successful nai feasible act nai kile kule dusra chaka bra aha nohole state pitho lagabi control kurubole napara nimide itu act to repeal kuri dia thakise. Number 2 day Haryana July 1996 bra Liquor Prohibition Act to pass kurigina thakise. April 1998 day Haryana Vikas Party aro BJP coalition government Haryana de ahadan de idu act to effectively implement kurule nabare state de BC liquor mafia olai jayase idu bra act to April 1998 bra loigina leave kurigina thakise. Public laga opinion hisabte act to implement kura thakise. Number 3 de Kerala students can PC biya ho jaya ase alcohol related bima PC olai jaya ase aro dusra anti social activities PC olai ase kugina on 24th of August 2014 United Democratic Front government laga chief minister Omen Chandibra Prohibition Act to Kerala de implement kurule announce kurise. 2017 de Left Democratic Front government power de aha time de chief minister Pinarayi Vijayan bra Prohibition Act to revoke kuri digina itia Kerala de hotels, bars, airport de alcohol do freely serve kurigina thagi ase. Number 4 de Laksavip 1979 bra loigina local population kotha manigina Laksavip de alcohol do ban kurigina aise. Holibi August 2023 bra government cooperation gehi permit digina alcohol manufacturing sale, consumption, or storage, kurule parigana ahese. Number 5 day Manipur. Rajkumar Ranbir Singh government Thakadam day on 1st April 1991 bra loigana Imphal East, Imphal West, Thorpal, aro Bishnupur district day alcohol prohibition act to implement kurigana ahese. Holibi 2002 day Okram I Bobby Singh chief minister Thakadam day Pasta Hill district day Prohibition Act to leave kurise. Itiabi kunuba chakade alcohol ban do thaki ase. December 2023 day Manipur BJP government bra koa hisabte 30 years pichde Manipur de liquor ban do total leave kurubole koi ase. Number 6 day Mizoram. The Mizoram Liquor Total Prohibition Act 1995 Mizoram day 20 February 1997 bra effectively implement kurise. On 10 July 2014, it will act to repeal Kuridigna Mizoram Liquor Prohibition and Control Act 2014 implement kurise. Public khan bra ituke oppose kura bra arobi 20 March 2019 de Mizoram Liquor Prohibition and Control Act 2014 do repeal kurigina Mizoram Liquor Prohibition Act 2019 amend kurise. Itia thaka Mizoram National Front etulaga pen opore ki notify kurubole ase itia rokhigina ase. Number 7 day Tamil Nadu C. Raja Kopalachari Tamil Nadu laga Chief Minister thaka time de the Total Prohibition Act to 1952 day introduced kura thakise. In 1971 M. Karun Anithi lead TMK government bra kunuba alcohol to sell kurubole allowed kurise. Aro 1983 day M.G. Ramachandra Chief Minister thaka time de state-owned alcohol distribution company set up kurise. Tamil Nadu citizens khan bra alcohol distribution shops to kumti kurule koi ase. Holebi alcohol selling to still Tamil Nadu de legal ase. Itia last day kile Nagaland state de alcohol prohibition act to implement kurise. Idu chani jabo. The Nagaland Liquor Total Prohibition Act 1989 do dusra states khan bra face kura same alcohol abuse such as domestic violence, health problems, drunken driving, or public disorder thakabra implement kura thakise. Itia saisikole sob Nagalande alcohol napa jaga ekta bina. State government bra kwado Nagalande alcohol napa bin hoi sob jagare ase. Iniga dusra jaga bra kinikana khai thakalapto. Mukhan nichuhi ponaigina khaili phal hobone ki kuigina koi ase. Holebi dusra states khange Prohibition Act implement kuradu with or without spiritual concern implement kurigna thago pare. One of my findings hisabte March 4 2022 day thaga Nagaland Post News hisabte etu act implement kurubole khali dunia manulaka suggestion loa nohoy. In 1989 Kohima de etu act implement kurubole PC church leaders khan fasting and prayer full 3-day sit thaga homoy PC church leaders khan hospitalized kurigina thaga koi ase. Etu ek implement kurule dunia manu laga phapana hi nohoigina ishor bratia vision ase kuigina koi ase. So Nagas, let us sit back and think over about the ongoing hot talks about lifting of NLTP Act in some part of Nagaland. Under the banner Nagaland for Christ, etu act to lift kuridigina mukhan phapana nisna kam kurile Ishobra mon pia pabonai. Mon sop idu papana guru sabolage. PC churches khan iduke against kurigana ase. Joa Sunday, 25th of August 2014, NPCC laga information hisabte sop churches te idu laga issue opore prayer loa thagise. Konyak Baptist Pumanok Pangchim KPPP under the thaga 26 ordained ministers khanbra Judy NLTP Act to lift kurishekole even fast to death step lobole koi ase. On 27th of August, Nagaland Assembly Session Day, possibility of lifting NLTP Act in some part of Nagaland opore discuss kurubole ase. Manu hua bra wrong decision bi dio pare. Manu hua bra wrong suggestion bi dio pare. Holebi isholaga ichade decision do lobole. Mohan sob bra prayer de madat kurigina thakibo. Long live Nagaland.